You guys, are you struggling? Are you struggling to make money online? Maybe it is you. Maybe you're just doing the wrong thing. I don't know. Maybe you're too introverted. Or maybe you just don't have the right product. Here's the thing. We can allow the world to tell us who we are and what we are, and we can even allow ourselves to put ourselves down. But at the end of the day, it's your mindset that's going to get you there. I mean, think about it. If you wake up and say, I am going to have a really crappy day, guess what kind of day you're going to have? You're going to have a really crappy day. But if you wake up and say, today is going to be the day that I'm going to make a sale, guess what you're going to make by the end of the day? Look, we all know jumping into something new and different is scary. It's scary as all get up. I'm sure it was really scary for people to believe in the Wright brothers, you know, when they created the first flying machine, or in the 60s when everybody was saying, we're going to get to space, we're going to get to the moon, and, well, there's still people that believe that didn't happen, but it did. It did, and it was different, and kudos to everybody that jumped on board with that blindly. If you're ready to stop holding yourself back and you're ready to jump into a new life with new possibilities, I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire. I'm not even saying that you're going to hit the 6 figures in 6 months. You can, but I'm not saying you're definitely going to do it, because it's all about your mindset and what you're going to put into it. So if you're ready, hit me up in the comments, say, I'm ready, and I will send you info. I'll even send you a free guide on how you can make 6 figures in 6 months.